What's up, everyone, and welcome into the rundown. This is the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. Tony, let's go.
So I'm going to jump right in. I was recently looking at new car sales at dealerships. So some interesting data points I was able to find. On average, new car prices have increased by about 32% since 2018. And you fold in new car loan rates have almost doubled since 2021. So less people are buying new vehicles to the point where days on inventory for the dealers are approaching 93 days. So that's actually a huge help for us in the automotive aftermarket, because the other data point I was able to find is the average age of a car on the road right now is 12 and a half years. So to me, that's indicating that people are keeping their vehicles longer and willing to repair them and keep them on the road. What are you seeing on your side?
Yeah, it's not every day we get to talk about dealership within the rundown, but similar increases if you look at product usage across all shop management systems that we have visibility into. You're talking about the per month RO count going from 230, even in Q2, to 320 in Q3. Similarly, credit card processing revenue is up about 25% since 2022. So we're seeing those increases across the board. Anytime you have an increased car count, increased processing revenue, you're definitely seeing more of that growth in aftermarket. So how do we keep that going, Tony?
Yeah, that's a great question. I'll throw that back to you.
Well, I think right to repair, it's time to get actionable for it, right? A big topic within the industry right now, and we want to make sure that we are putting power to it. So go to repair.org. A lot of the decisioning is going to be happening directly on the state level. So if you click on your state on that website, it'll give you your state representative's contact info. Write an email, right? That's the one thing that you can do that can really help. That probably takes about 5 minutes. And by the way, it's strength in numbers. So if you can recruit 1 or 2 other people, maybe it's in your shop, maybe it's a colleague that you have on the software side of things, we can really make a difference and keep this conversation going. So right to repair, super important. That's it for this week's rundown. We'll see you next time. Cavan and Tony here. Thanks.